Are you guys slow right now? I want to let you know that you're not the only one, and in this video, we're going to talk about it. Hi, it's Karolyn. If you want to learn how to bake and decorate amazing cakes, then I would love for you to join me by hitting subscribe and the bell. So I wanted to make a quick video because right now I am hearing crickets, and I know a lot of you are too. So I just want to talk about it real quick because I've been in this business for 20 years and still every time January and February come around, I'm like, what the heck is going on? Where is everybody? Just know that there is an ebb and flow to this business and it is completely normal. Although this year is a little bit slower than usual, just know that it will pick up in the coming months as it gets warmer, depending on where you are. Maybe it already is warm, but as parties start happening again and people start their celebrations. What do you do during this time instead of sitting at home and crying? It is easy to get stressed out about this, especially if this is your main source of income. But I just want to let you know what I do. So during these slower months, I try to learn a new skill or try to get better at something that I'm already doing, right? So this is where YouTube comes in handy. You can start to watch videos. Maybe you try out a new medium. Maybe you try working with sugar or working with chocolate or something new that you haven't done before. Or if you're icing your cakes and you really want to perfect that, maybe you start to do that. And I have videos showing you how to ice smooth buttercream cakes, and I will link that in the description. And also, this is a great time to get your tax paperwork in order and get all of that done before it starts to get busy. Now, I'm one of the weird people, and all of my friends make fun of me. I already got my taxes done. It's the beginning of February. I got them done in January. I just like to get them done because now I don't have to worry about it. They're finished. I don't know how you people, my mom, all these people, they wait until April 15th to do their taxes. And I feel like that would be on my mind for months. And I just like to get it done, over and done with. I do have a video talking about how I organize my paperwork, and that makes it so much easier to prepare for my taxes, and I will link that in the description. But right now it is super slow, and not too long ago I posted a video, I'll put it up here, and the link will be down there, talking about my busiest week, right? So my busiest week last year, it was supposed to be like $4,000, and I ended up, people reduced the size of their cakes that week, so it ended up being like $3,500 I made in 1 week just decorating cakes, and that is during the very busy season. But last week, I made $250 making cakes. So please know that there is an ebb and a flow to this business, and my recommendation is, like I said, hone? Is that the right word? Hone a skill, learn something new and work on that. And I also want to tell you that when you are really busy, to set some money aside if you can, so that way when you are in your slower months, you'll have some savings there and it'll help you get through that. So I just wanted to come on here and let you guys know that you are not alone. It is totally normal to be slow, especially after the holiday season. Everyone spent their money on gifts. Nobody wants to buy, spend all this money on custom cakes, but just know that it will pick up, and it always does. So I think that's it. Before I finish, I just want to let you guys know that I am now available for personal one-on-one phone calls or Zoom calls, and you can schedule them with me. The link will be listed in the description. Please like this video if you liked it, and if you are enjoying my tutorials, I would be so grateful if you could buy me a coffee. My link is pinned in the comments below. And you can keep in touch on social media and check out my website. Everything is listed in the description. And if you want to stick around, you can watch this video next and hit subscribe and the bell if you haven't already. Thank you so much for watching. I love you guys. And remember, it will get busy again. And it's cake. Have fun. I will see you on the next one. Bye.